everyone, this is Funny. You are watching Fun HS Info. Today in this presentation, we are going to know about work at height permit. The main contents of this session are: what is work at height permit, work at height permit flowchart, what are the sections in the work at height permit and how to fill it. The first one, what is work at height permit? This permit is issued when a person is required to work on a temporary guarded or unguarded structure, which means scaffold, mobile elevated platforms, etc., at above a height of 2 meters from ground or a permanent floor. Examples of work at height permit works are pipeline modification works, equipment shifting works, equipment erection works, insulation works, painting, etc. Next we can see work at height permit flowchart. This flowchart will guide the sequence and process of work at height permit usage. First of all, we have to assess the job. Does the job to be done above 2 meters? If yes, then think that the work to be done by avoiding work at heights. If avoidable, then complete the job by using extended or long handled tools. If not possible to avoid work at height levels, then check these points. Are falls and accidents are preventable? Temporary platforms like scaffolds or mobile elevated platforms arrange. Obtain a written work permit and get clearance from concerned authority. Then attach job safety analysis to work permit. Verify the physical condition of the temporary platforms before start of the work activity. Provide proper access and egress to temporary platform. Ensure availability of lifelines and safety harness with double lanyard. Then get clearance from safety representative. Perform the work by proper supervision and complete height work by following safety precautions and instructions. Next, what are the sections in work at height permit and how to fill it? It is very important to know about the contents in this format and how to fill this format without any corrections and confusions. Let me start with the first section. It's about permit title and reference number to give clear identification of the permit to ensure that permit can be easily stored and retrieved. This includes document number, version number and effective date. Next section is about additional work permits. The details of other work permits included with this permit. We have to mention the details of other permits included with this permit if required. This permit is attached to general work permit. That's why the details of the job location and a description of the work, temporary power supply details, electrical and mechanical isolation details are mentioned in general work permit. Next section is about precautionary measures to be verified before start of the work activity, which includes control measures. For example, while working with ladder condition, type of ladder used, ladder position, etc. While working on scaffold, example scaff tag, scaffolding inspection details, etc. Working on fragile roof structure, example platform, lifeline, safety net, etc. Next section includes risk assessment of work at height carried out by safety representative. Next section is about test and verification details of safety harness, lifeline, safety net and others. Next, permit validity, the duration of the working hours, date of the work to be carried out, we have to mention here. Next, authorizations, name, designation and signatures from originators, users, issuing authority, site checkers and other designated authorities. Next, permit extension. If permit requires extension, then clearance taken through this section. And last one, permit sign off, the final part of the permit which tells about the completion of the given task. This is about work at height permit format. Hope you understand about this work at height permit format. For remaining permits, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and share my videos. Once again, thank you and have a safe day.